Okay, welcome back, you guys. We are on our last exit ticket here for lesson 29, and we're looking at page 325 in the math workbook. I'm going to enlarge this just a little bit, and then I will click on a marker here. Again, the answers are posted for you, but I like to work through them and figure out how to solve when I get a similar problem, then I know how to attack it. Or I also have my math book so I can look at how did I solve it last time? What do I need to do differently? So we've got first problem says Henry has 15 lawns mowed out of 60 total. What percent of the lawns does Henry still have to mow? So I know that they just told me, if I put my, so there was 15 out of 60 that he's mowed. But we want to know how many does he have left. So I'm going to do a little bit of math work up top. So we know that we don't know what percent n equals 15 out of 60. I'm going to divide each of those by, I think by 5. Let's see what happens. That would give me 3 over 5 times there's 1 and 2, so 12. I can still divide this more though. That would be 1, divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. I get 1 over 4. So I'm going to put that over here. 1/4 equals something out of 100. So 4 times, okay, let's see, times, well, it's 4 quarters gives me 100. So this is going to be, so 25%, so 15 out of 60 lawns is 25%, but I want to know what they still have left to mow. And I know 25 plus 75% will give me a total of 100%. So that's how they came up with their 75% of the lawns still need to be mowed. Got it. Okay. Let's look at the next question. Marissa got 85% on her math quiz. So right away, I'm going to do 85 out of 100. And she had 34 of those questions correct, but we want to know how many totals at the bottom, the denominator, how many questions were on that quiz? Well, I'm going to go back to my 85 over 100, and I'm going to divide by, first I'll divide by 5 and see what I get. 85 divided by 5 gives me, see, 5 times 1 is 5, 35 is 17, and then there's going to be a 20. So I have 17, I'm going to put equals 17 over 20. So this is going to be divided by 2 to give me 17, or I could also say 17 times 2 is 34. So then 20 times 2 is going to give me 40. So that's how they get their 40 questions are on that quiz. I like, the more I practice, the better I get. Lucas read 30% of his book. So I'm going to go 30 over 100, containing 480 pages. So that's how many total pages. We want to know what page are they going to be turning to next. So 30, I'm going to divide that by 10, so I get 3/10. And so 10 times what gives me 480, 48. So what is 48 times 3? It's a 4, 2, 12, 13, 14, 144. So they're going to, so this 30%, they're right, is on page 144. But what page are they going to read next would be that 145 page. Next page. I'm not writing a very good sentence. But anyway, that totally makes sense to me now, and especially after I work it out. So good work on your problem set. And then you should be ready to do your exit ticket.